came out
We
and
could
cut
just
the
move
strap.
one voice chat down.
No, I'm just kidding.
We could just move one voice chat down, because that one's completely empty. And just leave him here.
Yeah, because he's not. He is not.
Because if he's not going to wake up, we can just move down.
Okay, let's move.
Wait.
Sweet
That
dreams,
last
Sting.
snore was it?
Have a good night, babe. I hope you dream about me.